Welcome to the ingredient table, everyone, and first things first, happy Vlogmas. How are you guys doing? If you guys are new to my channel, be sure to click on the beautiful red button up here to stay updated whenever I go live or upload videos. So how you guys doing? Welcome to the ingredient table. So I'm coming to you guys with chicken breast right here. Front and center. Let me zoom in. Pan on up, I have some organic whole wheat farfalle pasta. To the left, I have some tri-colored pepper and onion medley. And last but not least, I have some peas right here and an array of seasonings. Don't worry guys, I'm going to give you guys a rundown of my seasonings, what I'll be incorporating inside of this delicious meal. So usually this meal consists of rice. Most people add chicken breast, rice, peppers, and onions. They jazz it up like that. I decided I'm going to jazz it up with pasta. I'm more of a pasta type of girl. Smash the like button if you guys love pasta. And yeah, here we go. Let's get into these seasonings, shall we? For this delicious meal, I'll be using some Badia parsley flakes. You guys already know what this is. Badia crushed red pepper, pimienta roja. I'm using a little bit of rice vinegar, some organic, good and gather whole wheat farfalle pasta. Let's not forget about the kinkaman, less sodium soy sauce. Some kinkaman aji mirin. Dynasty premium sesame oil, 100% pure. Some good and gather organic raw and unfiltered honey. Some McCormick black pepper, ground black pepper, the pure ground black pepper. And some Badia. We got a couple of Badia seasonings. I have some Badia chili powder, some Badia garlic salt, and some Badia cayenne pepper, pimienta roja also, but the ground cayenne version. And let's zoom in on the chicken breast right here. Get a good look at this right here. Just show me you guys what it looks like on the cutting board. Let me show you guys the peas. Boom. Let's pan on over to the bird's eye tri-colored pepper and onion medley. And then here we go. Alright, let's begin. Boiling water. I have a little olive oil in the pot right here. This is excellent because it prevents your pasta from sticking. So it's a little pro tip. Incorporate some olive oil when you're boiling some pasta. Yeah, you want to do that. Incorporate some olive oil in your pasta to prevent it from sticking. That's a pro tip right there. And a pinch of light salt. Pro tip, by the way, from the 7 Legs Fairy Kitchen. Oh, this is fogging on my lens. You guys can tell this is hot. You already know. Alright, remember my peppers and onions from earlier? That's right, I washed them off. They're just draining right now. They're currently in the strainer. Draining, getting the excess water off. Nice and clean. I added some sesame oil in here. Can you guys see that? Sesame oil. Added my peas in here. Sesame oil smells really good. Y'all gonna have to cook with some sesame oil. It smells good. And it gives your food a nice rich flavor. Now I'm adding in some good and gather organic honey. Look at the swirl. Honey swirl, honey swirl. Along with some low sodium kinkaman soy sauce. Going on in. Here we go. Here's the best part. Right here, adding in the seasoned chicken breast. What happened to the chicken breast? Oh no, I cubed it. And last but not least, let's not forget about the minced garlic from Spice World. Adding in the garlic. This is one of the best parts right here, garlic. Garlic makes everything taste better. Let's not forget about the soy sauce. Garlic and soy sauce. It's a powerful combination. Now here go the peppers and onions. Beautiful color. Beautiful colors. Look at this. Gotta add in some more organic honey. Adding in some kikkoman ajimirin. You guys see it? AKA rice wine right here. Here we go. Let's not forget about some parsley. Can't forget about the black pepper. And of course, you guys guess? Oh, too late. Pimienta roja. Just a little bit, a tad bit. Gotta have some spice in your life. Spicy food is excellent for you, especially peppers and whatnot. Just, in moderation. And if you guys aren't heat seekers, that's totally fine. Do whatever works for you. And as I always say, whatever makes your taste buds do their happy dance. Those are the foods, spices, and seasonings you want to gravitate towards. Check it out right here, my organic farfalle pasta. Look at that, it's boiled. Get a good look at it. You guys can definitely tell this is hot. Look at this. Wow. Alright, so afterwards I'm going to just run my pasta under some cold water to remove the starch. It's very important for you guys to rinse your pasta under cold water. Always rinse the starch off. Otherwise your pasta will be gooey. In my opinion, I don't like the texture, but I always rinse my starch off. And here's the rinsed pasta. Here we go. Rinse all the starch off. Now the pasta's going in the mixture. So voila guys, check it out. Farfalle pasta with peas, peppers, onions, garlic. Get a good look at it. Chicken breast. Let me zoom in, get all the details for you guys. This pasta looks a bomb. I absolutely love pasta. Smash the like button if you guys love pasta. Comment down below. I want to know what's your favorite pasta dish. Comment down below. So yes guys, this is the final product right here. Get a good look. I'll give y'all a little slow-mo. Here we go. Check it out, guys. Here you go, grab your plates. Grab your plates, hurry up. Hurry up, grab your plates. Get in line, grab your plates. Yeah, y'all can tell this pasta is hot. Look at it. Let's not forget about the sesame oil drizzle right here. Drizzling some sesame oil. Sesame oil is very delicious.